Hello, this is Hui. Welcome to watch my video C++ Programming on Linux. In this short video, we're going to discuss how to access PostgreSQL from remote for C++ applications. In previous video, we made a demo how to create a C++ program to access the PostgreSQL database. That example is a client and the PostgreSQL server on the same server. So we made a PSQL connect to HDB, and which is a server, and we made a table. There's a table created on this database. So we have 4 records on the player and the table, and we also create a C++ program, which we create a program which can access this table. And so this is we access from the PSQL. We made a query, and we also can access from our C++ program to make query. We got the same example. Today, in this short video, we're going to demonstrate how we access this from another Linux server, which from the server is 104, and it's Debian Linux servers. So to be set up to be able to access PostgreSQL from the remote, first we have to set up. Here is on the PostgreSQL web page. We have to download from the things, but this time we don't need to download the PostgreSQL server. We only need to download 2 things. First, we need to download the PostgreSQL client, and second, for the C++, we have to download the library PQ on the dev. So to download this on the Debian, we have to do is sudo using the sudo apt get install. What we're going to install the PostgreSQL client. And we also have to install the library for the C++. So it's a library pq dev. So sudo apt get after installed our client and the library, and we have to do the second step. Have to go to the server, which is on the Ubuntu, Ubuntu Linux server, which we installed the PostgreSQL database, and find the file called pg_hba.conf. It's depending where you install the PostgreSQL, and using the vi, this file, which is at one line, which is the host 00, which is authorized the server 192.168.0.104, and I set as a trust. After this setup, and restart PostgreSQL on the server, then on the remote side is able to access the server from another Linux system. So here so we have create a C++ program. We just copied from what we did from previous video. The only thing we added is because this is access from remote. So we have the set up a connect string is different as what we access from the server, same servers. So the connection string have to be is connection string. Connect string is set up as specified in the document. So and it's a key value. We using the key and the value connection strings. So the key value and should be there's going to be host equals and or the host IDDR, which is the server IP address, and the key is the port, which is the port number, and that can be the 5432, and the database name, which is in this example is YHDB, and the user, which is the login ID of a server side, and the password. So it's going to be the host, which is 192.1.1.0.2, and the port 5432, and the user, which is login on the remote, and the database name, and the password. So what we made the adjustment, we declared two variables. This one is called mpass, it's 20 characters for password, and variable is memory 256 character array for the connection strings, and then we create a string stream SS, and we try to get the host, port, user, and database from the command line argument, and we try to get the password using the SS underscore get password from the console. And after we get the command line, we just build a string. The host ADDR equal argument 1, which is the host, port equal argument 2, which is the port, and the user is argument 3, it's a user, and DB name is from the argument 4, is database. And then we get the password, and then we append this password to our connection string. After that, we just memory copy our SS stream to our connection memory, and the SS is 256 memory we allocated, and assign to the connect info. After that, and all the rest is connect to database using PQ connect DB, which connects the string, and we send a query, which the query is select ID, name, membership, gender from player, and after that after we send query, we set up the single row model. We send single row model, and we use a loop to get the result using the PQ get result, making loop. First loop, when the loop equals 0, we just print the header using the PQ file name, and with a column, which we get the column from the function for the PQNA file field, and get the total row from the PQNA tuplets. So, and after that, we make a loop to using the PQ get value and just print out. It's exactly the same as we did in previous video. So now we save this. We just make clean, and we make compile this. So first we check if we can use PSQL to connect to the remote. So the command is PSQL -h 192.1.1.0.2, and manual port username, and database YHDB, so password, and we try to run the query. And select the ID, name, membership, gender, level from players. So we got this player, and now we click. And now we so this is we just compiled our executable. So executable, what we need to run this using part number is 192.168.0.102, and the second part is number is 5432, and the user is HYUAN, and the database is YHDB, and the password. So you can see now we are able to exact same to connected database HS on the database server and send the query, get the result exact same as we did in the using the PSQL. And hello, this is Hui. Thanks to watch my video. Hopeful this is useful, enjoyable. It's going to be great to have your feedback. Thanks.